So this is the architecture for industrial data lake for predictive maintenance using Amazon Monitron service and Amazon Kinesis. So let us decode this architecture step by step. Amazon Monitron is a machine learning system that monitors the condition of industrial equipment. It detects the abnormal condition and potential failures in the machinery. This allows users to implement the effective predictive maintenance program and reduce the downtime further. So let us understand how this works. Amazon Monitron's wireless sensors can be easily attached to your equipment with adhesives without any need of expensive and cumbersome cabling. In order to make this setup work, we need three things. 1. A sensor and gateway, which will securely connect the data to AWS. 2. A service at AWS, which will analyze the data that is coming from sensor using machine learning. And 3. Monitron app, which is for the commissioning and monitoring purpose. Amazon Monitron can monitor a wide range of rotating equipments including motors, gearbox, pumps, fan, bearing, compressors. Let us decode the architecture of industrial data lake for predictive maintenance using Monitron and Kinesis. First step is to install the Amazon Monitron sensor and gateway on the equipment that you want to monitor in a factory. You can then configure the sensor in Amazon Monitron by setting up a project. Then create the Amazon Kinesis data stream using Amazon Monitron as a data source. Kinesis data stream is a scalable and durable real-time data streaming service that can continuously capture gigabytes of data per second from hundreds and thousands of sources. Then we need to set up the S3 bucket as a delivery destination of Kinesis data firehose. S3 serves as a storage foundation for industrial data lake. Kinesis data firehose captures, transforms, and loads the data into the AWS data store for near real-time analytics with existing business intelligence tool. Then we need to configure the S3 notification to send the events to Amazon EventBridge destination. EventBridge is a fully managed service that provides reliable, scalable, and secure way to process route events between applications and services. It enables the businesses to quickly and easily integrate application and services across multiple cloud environments. The next step is to configure the AWS Lambda function as the target of EventBridge destination routes. The Lambda function processes the S3 events and sends it to AWS IoT events. AWS IoT event responds to the sensor warning and then creates the ERP work order using AWS Lambda. AWS IoT event responds to the sensor warning state and also notifies to the personnel using S3 simple notification service. Then we can also connect AWS Glue data pipeline to Amazon S3 bucket and schedule the Glue job via Amazon EventBridge. Amazon Athena then queries the S3 data and reports the matrices. Then we can also visualize the IoT matrices and states using Amazon Athena queries by using Amazon Managed Grafana. Amazon Managed Grafana is a fully managed service for Grafana, a popular open source analytics platform that enables us to query the visualize and alerts on the matrices, logs, and traces. So this was the architecture for industrial data lake for predictive maintenance. Hope this was useful. Thank you.